The St. Elizabeth police say they are probing the death of a 23-year-old man who died as a result of injuries he sustained during a dispute with at least 3 women in his community on Monday. According to police report, the deceased, Francois Vassell, a farmer of Silo District and Roses Valley in the district, was at his home when he and one of his alleged attackers got into an argument. Things quickly turned physical and the woman's sister and mother allegedly got involved. A machete was brought into play and the weapon was used to inflict blows to Vassell's body. He reportedly fell to the ground and was assisted to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries while undergoing treatment. Investigations into the incident are ongoing. It is unclear if any arrests have so far been made. The body of a man was discovered Wednesday morning under the bridge along Howard Cook Boulevard in Montego Bay, St. James. The body, which is up to publication time, was still unidentified, was discovered by residents, the police said. Reports reaching Observer Online indicate at about 10:35 a.m., residents saw the body lying on its back under a bridge in a pool of blood, unresponsive, and alerted the police. On the arrival of the police, the body was seen with multiple wounds to the face. Police said the body appeared to be in the late 50s or early 60s, 5 feet 7 inches long, dark brown complexion, dressed in a blue shirt, khaki-colored pants, and black Crocs. The scene was processed and the body transported to Cornwall Regional Hospital, where it was confirmed dead. It was later transferred to the morgue pending a post-mortem examination. A father is dead and his son hospitalized in a critical condition after the motorcycle they were traveling on collided with a BMW motorcar on the Cave Main Road in Westmoreland on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as 37-year-old Odean Summers, late of Graspeace District, Culloden White House in the parish. The incident, which happened shortly after 9 p.m., left Summers and severed. Observer Online understand that there were gridlock along the section of the main road for hours as firefighters and other emergency personnel attend to the injured individuals. Reports from the police are that Summers was driving his brown Warhawk motorcycle in the direction of Savannah Mar, while the occupant in the BMW 2015 was heading in the direction of Bluefields. The police said upon reaching a section of the Cave Main Road, about 80 meters west of the junction of Cave Mountain Road in the vicinity of Rockside, both vehicles